We were married before, both our spouses died, and please God, our forthcoming wedding will go well and that we will have a happy marriage, a happy and holy marriage.
Good afternoon to you all. It's a great joy to welcome you to the Shrine of St Valentine.
Oh, it's lovely here today, and looking forward to getting married, second time round. It's a lovely little woman.
It was such a special day. We were really honoured to be asked and invited. We're both quite religious people, so the fact that we're here today, especially Valentine's week and with the relic of St Valentine, it was really, really special, so lovely.
Shrine of St Valentine. I'm also conscious that for some couples, the pressure to own their own home, to hold down a secure job, to have a promising career path.
Housing is incredibly expensive, while for us, we'll be together 14 years this month, and we recently had a baby, so that's definitely an additional cost involved. But it's a very difficult climate at the moment for an awful lot of people, not just young Irish couples, but people all across Ireland. It's a situation that doesn't seem to be improving, and I can't see getting better anytime soon.